The Ramayana, one of the two great epics of Hinduism, is a rich and intricate narrative that not only tells a captivating story but also imparts deep spiritual and moral lessons. Traditionally attributed to the sage Valmiki, it is composed of approximately 24,000 verses and is divided into 7 books, called Kandas. The Ramayana recounts the life and adventures of Prince Rama, his wife Sita, his brother Lakshmana, and other key figures. The epic is set in ancient India and is woven into the fabric of Hindu culture, deeply influencing art, literature, and religious practices. The story begins in the kingdom of Ayodhya, where King Dashratha, the ruler of the kingdom, has 3 wives, Kausalya, Kaikeyi, and Sumitra, but no children. After performing a sacrifice to gain an heir, Dashratha is blessed with 4 sons, Rama, the eldest and the hero of the epic, born to Kausalya, Bharatha, born to Kaikeyi, and Lakshmana and Shatrughna, born to Sumitra. Rama is known for his exceptional virtues. He is courageous, noble, and obedient, and is adored by his family and the citizens of Ayodhya. As Rama grows up, he becomes a paragon of righteousness and dharma, duty, excelling in all aspects of martial arts, wisdom, and morality. When Rama reaches the age of adulthood, King Dashratha plans to crown him as the king of Ayodhya. However, this joy is marred by a turn of events caused by his youngest wife, Kaikeyi. Kaikeyi, influenced by her maid Manthara, demands that Dashratha honor a promise he made to her years earlier. The promise was that Kaikeyi's son, Bharatha, would become king instead of Rama, and that Rama would be exiled to the forest for 14 years. Torn between love for his son and his word to Kaikeyi, Dashratha is heartbroken but agrees to her demand. Rama, ever devoted to his father, accepts the exile without protest, embodying the ideal of respecting one's duty and obedience to parents. Rama, along with his wife Sita and his loyal brother Lakshmana, sets off for the forest. Despite the immense grief of the people of Ayodhya, who deeply love Rama, he leaves with steadfast determination. The departure marks a turning point in the narrative, as it sets in motion a series of events that will test the character's values, relationships, and endurance. While in the forest, the peaceful life of Rama, Sita, and Lakshmana is disrupted by the appearance of the demoness Shurpankha, the sister of the powerful demon king Ravana of Lanka. Shurpankha falls in love with Rama and, upon being rejected, attempts to attack Sita. In retaliation, Lakshmana cuts off her nose and ears, an act that ignites a sequence of vengeful events. Shurpankha goes to her brother Ravana and convinces him to abduct Sita. Ravana, angered by the insult to his sister, devises a plan to abduct Sita. Disguised as a golden deer, he lures Rama and Lakshmana away from their dwelling. When Sita sees the deer, she asks Rama to capture it for her. As Rama chases the deer, Lakshmana is left to protect Sita. Ravana, in the guise of a wandering sage, takes advantage of the absence of the 2 brothers and kidnaps Sita, taking her to his kingdom of Lanka. This marks the beginning of the central quest of the Ramayana, Rama's mission to rescue Sita. Devastated by the abduction of Sita, Rama is determined to find her. He begins a journey to search for his wife, traveling across forests and kingdoms. Along the way, he meets several key allies, including Hanuman, the monkey god and loyal devotee of Rama. Hanuman, a central figure in the Ramayana, plays a crucial role in the battle against Ravana. He is gifted with extraordinary strength, agility, and divine powers. When Hanuman learns that Sita is in Lanka, he leaps across the ocean to find her. Upon reaching Lanka, Hanuman reassures Sita, and she entrusts him with a token to show Rama that she is alive. Hanuman's devotion and courage serve as a model of bhakti, devotion, and his role as Rama's emissary strengthens the bond between the divine and the mortal realms. Hanuman's actions, such as burning down part of Lanka with his fiery tail before returning to Rama, are pivotal in rallying the forces of good against Ravana. With the help of Hanuman and his army of monkeys, led by Sugriva, Rama gathers a large army to wage war against Ravana. The monkeys and bears, including Nala and Neela, build a bridge across the ocean from the southern coast of India to the island of Lanka. The construction of the bridge, known as Rama Setu, Adam's Bridge, is a remarkable feat, symbolizing the unity and strength of Rama's allies in the face of overwhelming odds. The climactic battle between Rama's forces and Ravana's army is a grand confrontation filled with action, strategy, and divine intervention. Rama and Ravana engage in a fierce duel, with Ravana using all his magical weapons and invoking various demonic forces. However, Rama's righteousness, aided by divine blessings and his unwavering devotion to Dharma, enables him to eventually defeat Ravana. Before the final battle, Vibhishana, Ravana's virtuous brother, defects to Rama's side, revealing Ravana's weaknesses. Vibhishana's loyalty to Rama demonstrates the triumph of goodness and Dharma over evil, even within a family. Ultimately, Rama kills Ravana in a dramatic and intense final battle, with the help of the divine bow Kodanda and the grace of the gods. After Ravana's death, Rama rescues Sita and they return to Ayodhya. However, upon their return, rumors and doubts about Sita's chastity arise due to her abduction by Ravana. To prove her purity, Sita undergoes a trial by fire, known as Agni Pariksha. She emerges unharmed, demonstrating her virtue and faithfulness to Rama. Despite this, Rama feels compelled to uphold his duty as a king and, due to public opinion, reluctantly asks Sita to undergo an exile once again. Sita, embodying the ideal of the self-sacrificing wife, goes into exile, where she gives birth to Rama's twin sons, Lava and Kush. In the end, after many trials, Sita returns to the earth, calling upon her mother, the goddess Bhumi, to take her back, affirming her purity once and for all. Rama, heartbroken yet resolute, rules Ayodhya for many years, establishing an era of prosperity and justice known as Rama Rajya. The epic concludes with the understanding that good will ultimately triumph over evil, and Dharma will always guide the path of the righteous. The Ramayana is much more than just an epic of adventure, it is a profound spiritual and moral guide. It teaches the values of dharma, righteous duty, devotion, bhakti, selflessness, and sacrifice. It shows how one should live a life of integrity, always acting in accordance with divine will and moral principles, no matter the personal cost. Through the figure of Rama, the Ramayana illustrates the importance of duty, loyalty, and the ultimate victory of good over evil. The Ramayana has not only shaped the religious and cultural practices of Hinduism but also influenced countless generations with its timeless wisdom and moral teachings.